guys, I forgot to make an intro video. I'm with my dad. He's asleep. He stays being asleep. But yeah, we're going to put on my new exhaust on my car. So yeah, that's not my dad, that's my friend. But yeah, we're gonna put my new exhaust, my DNA motoring exhaust on my car. So yeah, it should be sick. Take out this muffler. I mean, it's still gonna be muffled, but it's gonna be dual. So yeah. Okay, we got the old exhaust off, and then we got the new exhaust, and then my friend, it's all nice and shiny, and then
the new friend's all nice and shiny.
and then this is all off. So we didn't remove the cats, but we're putting the new exhaust on from the cats back, and then through here. So yeah.
That's all broke. Hey.
What's up, guys? I forgot to make an outro for this video. Basically, my dad, me and my friend, we took off the old exhaust and we put a new cat back exhaust. We didn't put in test pipes or take out the cats. It's just a cat back exhaust, so we were still leaving the cats. We didn't clear them out or anything. Everything's still in there. The cats are still in there, so it's not going to throw a code. But we put a whole new exhaust from the cat's back, so it's a new wide pipe. It's basically like how the Nismos are. They don't have a big muffler. They have two. It's dual, and then there's two single mufflers. It's not like it's a muffler delete or anything. But VQs with mufflers deletes do sound like GTRs. So if you want to sound like a GTR, just delete your muffler. I'm not going to, because I don't think I'll pass inspection. I mean, I could bolt it on there, pass inspection, and take it off if I really want to. But then I can't shoot flames, because if I shoot flames, it's just going to cause the bumper to catch on fire. So I'm just going to leave the mufflers on there. But yeah, basically we just took off the old exhaust, put a new one. It sounds a lot better, like especially when you rev it out to 5,000. Like, it sounds good. I didn't want to do a single, because those can get annoying when you're going down the highway, just droning. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. I think next video is like a Zoe Society sticker video. It's a decal, but it like changes colors. And then I think I don't know if there's another video after that. But I should get the car tuned, and then whenever my wheel studs come in, the car will be done. I think I could just do cosmetics like Nismo stuff and bags, but I don't know if I'll do all that. Because I do want a Mustang one day, like the new Mustang GTs, the 5.0s. I don't know if I'll get like an older one or a newer one with the 10-speed, because the 10-speed's expensive. And then my end goal is a R35. I think I started this channel and I said like a goal was like a R32, but I mean, I like the VQs, and the VR38 DE is crazy. So yeah, GTRs are definitely a goal. It's just I gotta get a good job eventually. But if you made it to this end of the video, thanks for watching. So yeah, just please like, comment, and subscribe, and we're getting car tuned, and I think there's a decal sticker video after this. So yeah, peace.